In a fast-paced life, today, we value time much more than ever before. When every action, your every move, and every decision is performed intentionally to save you time, why shouldn't bank account opening be the same?
ये बहुत ही स्वाभाविक था कि मैं यहाँ पे एसवीसी बैंक में अकाउंट ओपन करने आया है। आई थिंक अपने घर से ये 5 मिनट की दूरी पे ही है। हाँ। तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है कि बहुत नज़दीक ब्रांच है। तो अभी आज सुबह ही मैंने अप्लाई किया है अकाउंट ओपन करने के लिए। और मैं ये बात कहना चाहूँगा, इस एसवीसी बैंकिंग सिस्टम का जो अकाउंट ओपनिंग का सिस्टम है बहुत ही आसान और पारदर्शी है, कोई हैसल्स नहीं है इसमें। तो बस अभी आज अकाउंट ओपन किया है तो मेरे ख्याल से 4 से 6 दिन में मेरा किट आ जाएगा। बराबर ना?
आपको लगता है 4-5 दिन लगेंगे?
मतलब ज़्यादा लगने वाला है?
सर, दिस इज योर किट।
ये मेरे अकाउंट का किट है?
जी, आप ही के अकाउंट का किट है।
मतलब आज ही ओपन किया, आज किट भी आ गया?
जी सर।
आजच्या दिवसात कसं काय येऊ शकतं किट लगेच? काय वेळ लागतो की नाही गोष्टींना? एटीएम कार्ड मेरे अकाउंट का है?
जी सर, आप ही के अकाउंट का।
अरे मतलब आप ये कहना चाह रही है कि मेरे अकाउंट का जो एटीएम कार्ड है, मैंने जो अकाउंट ओपन किया है, ये मैं अभी विड्रॉ कर सकता हूँ?
जी।
तो चेक करें?
जरूर, चलिए।
This is a new reality. When the whole world moves ahead, take a step forward with it.
मला अजूनही विश्वास होत नाहीये कि हमने आज ही अकाउंट ओपन किया। अकाउंट ओपन करने के बाद एटीएम कार्ड भी आ गया और एटीएम कार्ड ऑपरेट भी हो गया, पैसे भी निकाल लिए। जहाँ पे बैंकिंग सिस्टम में 4 से 6 दिन लग जाते हैं, तो ये एक दिन में कैसे पॉसिबल है? व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड दिस?
द सिंपल सीक्रेट इज द डॉक्यूमेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जिसकी वजह से आपको 24 घंटे में अकाउंट एक्टिवेट हो जाता है और आपको इंस्टा किट मिल जाता है, जिसे सिर्फ आप स्मार्ट पिन एटीएम में जाके यूज करें तो आपका कार्ड रेडी है आपके यूज के लिए।
Don't wait for days to open an account. With SVC Bank's document management system, the process of account opening has now been made lightning fast. Made possible by the integration of state-of-the-art technology and progressive human intelligence, this system ensures only the best quality of account opening data is processed speedily, almost at the blink of an eye. The SVC Bank DMS Promise. 3 steps to convenience. Signed. The process of DMS begins when you submit your filled-in account opening form. This physical form is digitally converted by the branch using high-speed scanners and shared with the central office. Sealed. The form is first scrutinized by a DMS personnel before having its data uploaded onto the DMS application. Once this undergoes authorization and audit, the account is opened on the same day. Delivered. You're then intimated of the account opening and are prompted to activate it via Smart Pin. The welcome kit reaches you within 24 hours. And what does this ensure?
At SVC Bank, customer has always been our focus. We have always been given personalized services since eons. With the introduction of DMS, it is a hybrid model between personalized and digitized. What I mean by personalized is when a customer comes to us, we attend to him personally for his account opening, and digitized means that is the DMS application where the account opening form is scanned and it goes into a application where the images are captured and the workflow process of the account opening form is done to that application.
SVC Bank, which has introduced this DMS application. Now, how this DMS application is going to help our customers? They can now actually use this DMS application. They have the accounts activated on the same day. How? Images are being moved from the DMS process where the forms are getting scanned, the physical movement are not happening. So what happens is the movement of the form is on the same day to the central processing one. The central processing one application helps you to actually have a secure form of opening the account wherein all compliances have been taken care of. And the more important aspect of this account is not only open but it also gets activated for the customer to use the account as soon as possible he wants. This is where actually we are serving the customer with the personalized touch for basically to have an account onboarding process as early as possible and as fast as possible for him to start the banking experience with SVC Bank.
I think this is a tremendous step forward as far as SVC is concerned. I'll just tell you what, 3 years back, it used to take 7 to 9 days for opening an account. As said here, we have 198 branches. Each time physically they used to come to Bombay with the back office, process it, audit it, and we give them a check. So it takes 7 to 9 days. I said that's not on. And we should not be anywhere. We should be in fact supersede what even private sector bank or foreign banks are doing in this country. So we put the pressure on the back office. Vita is a part of that pressure, and I think she reduced it over the last year or so to 4 or 5 days, from 9 to 4. I said no, that's not good. I want customer opens the account by evening. He must have his checkbook, his card, so he can go and withdraw from it and make the account operational. And this is what we thought, and we bought that in mind. We had a lot of dialogues with the various service providers, software service providers, and we selected one. And what we did is we have put in every branch, the 198 branches, we put a scanners. The moment you open an account there, so long as the KYC is also there. KYC is the must, it's not something we have put a regulation, it's a regulatory requirement, so we must put KYC in place. If the KYC is there, the form is in full form filled in, it gets scanned immediately within the next 2 hours into the back office, which is here in Thane. They process it, there is an audit process for that to make sure nobody has slipped. Definitely do it going forward from today itself, I suppose. You open an account, and by end of the day, you will have InstaKit, card, checkbook, and you can start operating it.
अभी मैं बोलूँगा मेरी जो वाइफ है स्नेह, आपको अभी ये फैमिली का हिस्सा बनना है और आपको ये
और पासवर्ड मुझे बता दिया गया है।
मैं आत्माराम तुकाराम भिडे गोकुलनाथ सोसाइटी का एक सेक्रेटरी, तो उधर बिजी रहूंगा। मैं तो अभी भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि एक दिन में अकाउंट भी ओपन हो गया और एक दिन में एटीएम कार्ड भी आ गया और हमने विड्रॉ भी कर दिया।
इनफैक्ट मुझे भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि मैं किसी सेलिब्रिटी के साथ में खड़ी हूँ।
We value your time. Spend time with those whom you cherish. We will take care of the rest. SVC Bank. हमसे है possible.